Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial, which aims at presenting some of the services offered by the OPENLang Network platform. If you're looking at the current video, you already know how to access the OPENLang Network platform, which is really good for you. Even more, you should already know me as I appeared in the introductory video. If not, I will immediately introduce myself. I'm Antonio Giordano from Pixel, which is a contractual partner in the OPENLang Network European project. And the current tutorial aims at showing you one of the services offered by the OPENLang Network platform, which is the Tandem Language Learning. I can immediately understand one of the possible doubts that you may have. What is the Tandem Language Learning? Tandem Language Learning is a method of language learning based on mutual language exchange between tandem partners, where ideally each learner is a native speaker in the language the other person wants to learn. The OPENLang Network platform offers its users this possibility to start a tandem language learning. Let's see how it works and let's access the OPENLang Network platform. Amongst courses and activities, you will find Tandem Language Learning. Let's click on it and let's see how it is organized. The Tandem Language Learning on the OPENLang Network platform is organized as a pathway with different steps. The Tandem Language Learning on the OPENLang Network platform is organized as a pathway with different steps to be undertaken. First of all, you will find some further information, including two different videos about what we mean by tandem language learning and some useful tips for this kind of activity. But now let's try to organize this tandem language learning. As I said, it is organized as a pathway with several steps. Step one, you have to record your language proficiency level, and you can start from here. You will find a clear definition of what language proficiency level is, and then you can record your language proficiency level by clicking on these and then opening and filling in a simple Google form with some important information that you should fill in order to provide and define your language proficiency level. Then the second step, find tandem learning partners. In order to do that, first of all, you have to appear in the list of possible partners for the tandem language learning. For this reason, it is important then, once you enter for the first time the platform, you edit your profile, providing all the required information. In particular, this is my personal suggestion, you should fill in information about your contact details and about your interests, so that once you fill in this kind of information, you will appear here amongst all the different members of this important and interesting community of people who can be involved in this kind of activity in the tandem language learning. So it is really important that from the very beginning, once you enter the platform, you provide all the required information. Otherwise, you can always go underneath your name, edit your profile, and provide all the required information. This way, you will appear in this community of contributors to the tandem language learning. For example, I can find myself, Antonio Giordano, in this list. I can view my own profile, and if I didn't provide all the required information from the very beginning, I can always edit my profile and add a description of myself the city, the town I live in, my personal interest, I can upload a picture, which is not mandatory, but we can be a further step in order to improve this kind of tandem language learning. And above all, I can provide information about how I can be contacted by other people interested in speaking with me, for example. Then, once you are sure that all the required information are there, you can, for example, search for the most suitable person for the tandem language learning. And in order to do that, remind to take advantage from the available filters. So, for example, you want to speak in Greek language. So in this case, we choose Greek as language, and you are a proficient user, so you want to find a person with the same level. In that case, here you will find the list of possible persons you can talk with. For example, I will view the profile of Irene Antoniou. Then, once I understand that that could be the most suitable person for this kind of activity, I can send him, her a message, or I can add him, her amongst my contacts. Once you have identified the most suitable partner to be involved in the tandem learning, then you can also choose the kind of activity you and your partner will be involved in, and you can choose from the Padlets available here. Here, as I said before, you can choose the kind of activity, your favorite activity in which you and your partner will be involved in. The collection of e-tandem activities will be updated periodically, but you can also suggest your favorite e-tandem activity topics. Finally, you can practice speaking with your tandem learning partners using Skype or Google Meet. That's why it is important to provide your accounts with all the required information, in particular the contact information, so that in each moment you can start making the first contact with a suitable partner or being contacted by another of the members of this community to start practices your language. Now you know how the tandem learning works on the OPENLang network platform. In my opinion, this is maybe the coolest opportunity and service offered by the OPENLang network platform. Enjoy it and stay connected with the OPENLang network videos. Bye.